Okay, so I just found like the world's smallest cup. And I can actually put a drink in here. Okay, I got blue water and put this in. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the floor or on the table. And now I'm eating. So I think I'm gonna do homework. It's in. See it? Oh. What does bread taste like with blue water? Put that in. I put the bread in here. I'm kind of weird sometimes. I'm weird. Okay, the bread just floated, so. My uncle said to like take videos of like me or him eating. It popped. It tastes the same. Ew. Got a weird snack here. Not supposed to open it now, but I want to, so. Oh, good thing I opened this, because.
What's inside?
Sorry. Yeah. Oh, good thing I opened it, because, my classmates one of my classmates, has this, but not the bar, just the card, I think. Good thing I got it, because the card. I have a card. But the card's different, so I would open this. Oh, there's actually two. Is it supposed to be like that? Tootsie Roll. Is this a Tootsie Roll? Oh, do you see a letter, actually? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look what I did. Poopy. Just my grandpa and grandma. So don't worry about that. Please subscribe. I'm trying to go to 10 million subscribers. I really, really want to play a button. And that one. Woo. Straight line, straight dust. Oh. Make it. Ha, but. Oh, no. I really like the cards. Yeah, the card is so cool. And why is he so fat? Okay, I gotta take a drink. Oh, I think it has stain. I was about to call my spit in there. Get that? Look at his head. Look, see that? That is cool. That is good. not try that at home. This string looks so cool. Oh. Oh. I don't like it. And guys, there's something sponsoring right now.
Not bad.
Toga Boca. Toga Boca is like a cool game, and I'm sponsoring it right now. Toga Boca is like a cool game, and you could like go to places and there's this mail shop where you could get presents every day, but only if you reset it. That's it for today, guys. It's sticky. Oh. Look.
That's cool. Are you still taping? Are you still videotaping?